crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome to another 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. So, hello, welcome back, and if you're new here, we're glad to have you, and I would suggest listening to maybe most of it all the way to the end, because I'm going to tell you all about our channel and things that we have going on here. But just to keep things moving, I'm going to go ahead and pull out everything that came from Diane Gaines this week, and this is week number 168. So there's a lot more than just this one video in our community, which is why I said if you want to watch the rest of it, that will help you out in knowing what all we do here. Look at all this fabulous paper, lots of greens and yellows. Wow. And then there's a bunch of like little things in here that match. Love it when you send matchy guys. So cool. You don't have to. Some people, they just like to send stuff to see if they can stump me, and I love that too. So bring it on in. Whatever you got is totally fine. So it looks like I've got a stamp here. I've got some different kinds of papers, some little bling, some little flowers. Those are super cute. Best friend, little squishy best friend heart. So, oh, and a couple more gems that are, I think these are all yellow. They were colored. So some are colored yellow, some are like a pinkish. Anyhow, let's go ahead and get started with this. I've got 10 minutes and I need to set up first my card base. Regular A2 size card base, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So if you've never been to my channel before, there are 5-minute challenge cards as well. That's what I started out with, and then I changed it to a 10-minute card, and then I just had people send in random stuff. I think at the beginning I was using maybe my own stuff. Can't remember, but I'm going to try to use this cardboard that came in this too. So let me just chop this down a bit, because I don't want to use all the words and stuff. I just want to use this pretty print. And of course, I usually start with a full background, and look at that. She's got one cut almost exactly to the T for me. Just make sure that that all fits. I'm going to grunge this up just a little bit. Give the layers a little more texture. We also have a store called qualitycrafts.com. Issues that I have with the store makes me think that if you want to come to the live sales, that would be your better bet. Live sales are super fun. We do new and lovingly used garage sale type stuff as well. So you're going to get to see a little bit more, maybe save a little more on your budget. Those are really fun. I think you guys would really enjoy that. So if you've never been to one, every other Saturday, 10 to 11 a.m. Central Standard Time is for my patrons only. And then after that, from 11 to 3 is for anybody that wants to shop. Oh, this is really pretty too. I'm going to cut this one down. So check those out. Those have also been archived, so check that out. Then you'll know how they go before you decide that you want to get in on that. You don't have to do anything special, but we do need your PayPal email if you're going to join that. So your PayPal email, so we can invoice you, obviously. And we are PayPal and US only at this time. You don't need a PayPal an account to do that, but you do have to sign up. You can use any of your debit cards or credit cards if that works out better for you. The last one we did, well, I should say one of the last ones we did, we had paper, all kinds of paper, and that was super fun. And to fill in this, the inside along with the outside, I'm going to go ahead and take that piece I chopped off and start an inside piece. That might be the only thing we put in there. We might put more in there. I don't know. It just depends on how all this stuff falls together. I like the black. It's just a little bit big. So I'm going to chop it down a little. We save all the scraps because if you've never joined us before, we do a crop in the new year every year from 8 p.m. to midnight Central Standard Time right here on the channel. Although I think this year we'll probably have it in Zoom. And I've got a paid Zoom, not a free one, so I can get tons and tons of people in there. So if you want to get in on that, mark the date, save the date. This is so fun. Like layering things that may not be exactly the same, but they've got, oh, I could even go that route. Yeah, let's go that route. Will still bring cohesiveness to your card. Don't be afraid to layer things that are a little bit different. It's like this is really pretty. That could go under my black, so bring out just a little bit of yellow. Almost thinking maybe I should make that go a little bit. Nope, I really like it this way. I'm going to go ahead and leave that right behind there. And I'm going to leave it a little natural by just ripping off the edge there. Yeah. Okay guys, so making layers is a really great way to get your cards to look more finished. Uh-oh, this is not working. It's just peeling off the glue. Okay, I got another idea. Just going to use wet glue for that. That's so cool. Oh no, I put the glue on there. Oh good, that wiped off. Hey. Okay. I really like this heart. So we are going to use it. I'm just going to cut around it. I'm just going to fussy cut it, not super close. Just kind of close. And then those extras will go. How pretty is that? Let's go ahead and put just a little bit of foam to pop that up. So we sell a lot of these everyday adhesives as well. So if you're just looking for some inexpensive adhesives, this is a great big roll. It's like 5.5 yards and it's $5. Cost effective. We also carry some new stuff. You'll have to check it out, qualitycrafts.com. Now, do I want to put something underneath there before I get crazy? I'm thinking, yeah, why not pull that out of there? Dun, dun. Oops. There we go. Let it drop where it may, and then pop this over the top. Maybe put it a little sideways. There we go. Give it a little look. Now, since I have some of the yellow in there, now I can pop on some of these little yellow flowers. So we'll try to add like one here and one there, kind of deal. Pop out some more of that yellow, and then I'm going to put one of these little dudes like on top of there with a little, better get out a glue dot to make sure they stay in place. Oh, how cute is that? They look so good together. I'm telling you guys, layering is where it's at. Seriously. These are so tiny, I don't even know if you'll be able to see them. And do we want this on here? The front feels very finished to me, so I don't think I'm going to do any more with that. That I used up. we've got these few things left. Let's see if I want to put that. Nope, that's just like, it's overwhelming. There, what do we have here? Oh, a little hello there. A little hello there sign. You know what? We could pop that in the front, or in the inside, I mean, and put it on a piece of this torn. Would be really cute. Hello there. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Down it goes. Sorry about the noise, guys. My husband is trying to contact me. Probably has no idea I'm trying to film. I'll have to call him back in just a little bit. That's really cute. So now that's really, really gonna match. I've got about 41 seconds left, and you know what? I really feel like I've put down as much as I want. Do I want to put some of this black on the inside? I feel like, you know what? I probably could. Oops. Don't mind me. Things have fallen down. Let me see if I want that in there or not. It would look cute, but I don't have enough time. I'm going to run out of time. So I will leave that there so that I can use it on another project. Just got a couple seconds left. And there she blows. Okay, so 10 minutes. Scraps into a card. What do you think? Pass, fail? This one is going to be mailed to, and I forgot already who I made this for. Diane Gaines. So Diane, thank you so much for sending your scraps in again. Really cute. Super fun stuff. So on the back will be marked, stamped my information, and I will mail that back to Diane. So she's now got a handmade card from me. And I mentioned in the beginning that we do, hopefully I'm not messing up my videos, mixing them up, a crop in the new year from 8 p.m. to midnight Central Standard Time. Most likely, go in the description box below, join us at the group Quality Crafts on Facebook so that you can get all that information. We do our Zoom parties. We do Zoom crops. Sometimes it's just a Zoom crop party. We would love for all of you guys to join us. There's plenty of room for a lot of people to join at the same time. It's just a fun way to craft and have like-minded and fun, friendly people around. Feels like you're having a party, but you can still be in your pajamas and having your drink and doing whatever you want to do. And then Sunday Fun Days, 2 p.m. every Sunday, I do a technique or something. One technique that we've recently done, I'm guessing by the time this airs, will be making the Northern Lights. I'll teach you how to do that. Another thing we're going to be popping out, you may have already seen, is slimline cards, things like that. So if you're interested in learning techniques, card things, like different card folds and fancy folds, stuff like that, join us here. I would love to have you. It's super fun. Again, totally friendly group. Drama-free, commitment-free. Join us. You won't regret it. It's super fun. And I got to get going, so I can't wait to see you guys next video.